Sawadee ka. Welcome to another mouthwatering episode of exploring the flavors of Thailand. Today, we embark on a gastronomic journey to discover the rich and diverse culinary traditions of this beautiful country. Our focus for this episode is on a dish that's packed with bold flavors and incredible textures, Pla Rad Prik. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind this beloved Thai delicacy. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the cooking process, let's learn about the star of our show, Pla Rad Prik. This iconic Thai dish features fried fish, a fragrant chili sauce, and an array of aromatic herbs and spices. The key ingredient here is the fish, which can vary from snapper to tilapia or other locally available freshwater fish. Now, let's head over to a local Thai market to select the freshest fish for our Pla Rad Prik. The variety of seafood here is simply astounding. In this segment, we'll be preparing the fish to be coated in a delightful chili sauce. The first step is to clean the fish thoroughly, ensuring all the scales and innards are removed. The cleanliness of the fish is crucial to ensure that the flavors truly shine. Next, we'll make deep cuts on each side of the fish to allow the chili sauce to penetrate deep into the flesh, infusing it with goodness. With the fish prepped, it's time to deep fry it to perfection. The hot oil will give the fish a delectable golden crispy exterior while keeping the flesh moist and tender. Fish deep frying. No Pla Rad Prik is complete without its fiery chili sauce. The sauce is a harmonious blend of Thai chilies, garlic, shallots, fish sauce, and palm sugar. Now, we'll head to the kitchen to create the tantalizing chili sauce that will elevate our fried fish to a whole new level. The key to this sauce is finding the right balance between the heat of the chilies and the sweetness of the palm sugar. That's just perfect. The spiciness of the chilies, combined with the umami from the fish sauce, creates an explosion of flavors in your mouth. With both the fish and the chili sauce ready, it's time to bring our Pla Rad Prik together. Placing the fish on a serving platter, we'll generously pour the fragrant chili sauce over it, making sure to get it into every nook and cranny. Just look at how vibrant and enticing this dish looks. The colors and aromas are simply irresistible. Our Pla Rad Prik is now ready to be savored. In this segment, we'll invite some locals to taste this authentic Thai delicacy and hear their thoughts on the dish. Wow, the flavors are so bold and intense. The fish is perfectly crispy on the outside and tender inside. The chili sauce adds a delightful kick that lingers on the palate. This is the taste of Thailand right here. The blend of spices and herbs in the chili sauce is something truly special. And there you have it, Pla Rad Prik, an extraordinary Thai dish that embodies the heart and soul of Thai cuisine. With its crispy fish and fiery chili sauce, it's no wonder this dish is beloved by locals and visitors alike. I hope you've enjoyed this culinary adventure with us. Remember, Thai cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors, and Pla Rad Prik is just one of the many mouth-watering dishes you can explore. Pla Rad Prik embodies the essence of Thai cooking, bold, aromatic, and exquisitely balanced. It represents the skillful art of combining fresh ingredients and traditional techniques to create a dish that is both comforting and exciting. Whether enjoyed at a bustling street food stall or a fine dining restaurant, Pla Rad Prik is a true testament to the wonders of Thai cuisine, showcasing the country's passion for food and its ability to deliver a culinary experience that leaves a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to savor its brilliance. It is a perfect representation of the vibrant and diverse culinary heritage of Thailand. The name Pla Rad Prik translates to fish fried with chili in Thai, which aptly describes the primary cooking method and the star ingredient of this dish. It is a dish that captivates not only locals but also food enthusiasts from around the world, making it a must-try when exploring the rich and diverse cuisine of Thailand. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delightful journeys through the world of Thai food. Until next time, Kob Kun Ka, and happy cooking. Disclaimer: the recipes and techniques presented in this video should be attempted with caution, as cooking involves the use of hot oil and sharp utensils. Viewers are advised to follow appropriate safety measures and exercise their best judgment while trying any recipe at home.